In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare Dresi, a Tibetan rice dessert that occupies an unmissable part of every important Tibetan occasion. The ingredients for my recipe are brown rice, softened butter, sugar, golden raisins, goji berries, cashews, and almonds. First, we soak the rice. I've soaked my rice for an hour because I'm using brown rice, which is slightly tougher than the white rice, but gives the dish an earthy flavor that complements the other ingredients. The most popular rice people usually use for Dresi is basmati rice, but it is your choice to use white or brown rice. Do not use sticky rice because we want the rice in this dish to not stick each other. After an hour of soaking, we cook the rice. We want to make a rice that has less moisture in this dish, so cook with a little bit less water than usual. Once the rice is cooked, if you are using a rice cooker, keep it at a warm setting. Next, add 3 tablespoons of the softened butter for a cup of rice. You can use more butter if you wish. Then, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you want a sweeter taste, you can add more sugar. Cover the lid of the rice cooker. Let it simmer for 5 minutes or until the butter and sugar are melted. Once all the butter and sugar are melted, add in the goji berries, golden raisins, cashews, and almonds. Finally, mix all this well and it is ready to be served right away. This dish tastes best when served warm. If you have used white rice, especially basmati rice, be very gentle when you are mixing at this step, because the rice is very delicate and easy to break into parts.